Hello, my friends. I'm just popping in to say congratulations on completing the 6-day Superstar Blanket Crochet Along with Knitting Fever and Juniper Moon Farm. It has been so much fun crocheting along with you, and I wanted to let you know how you can stay connected with me and with the Superstar community, and also how you can enter to win some great giveaways from me, Knitting Fever, and Juniper Moon Farm. First, I wanted to let you know that the 6-day Superstar Blanket Crochet Along Community will stay open, and you're welcome to continue to engage there with the resources and the people that have joined that space. Keep posting your questions if you have them and photos of your amazing projects. The community is free to join. You just need to set up a free Mighty Networks account to access the space. I'll post a link on the screen and in the description for you. Don't forget to join. Now it's time to enter the giveaway. In order to qualify, you must be signed up for the crochet along through the website at 6dayssuperstarcal.com. You must have made your blanket with Juniper Moon Farm or another Knitting Fever supplied yarn in order to be selected. You must complete or nearly complete your project, and we are calling 5 full repeats close enough. Submit your name, email, and address with photos of your work through our form at the same website where you registered, 6dayssuperstarcal.com. Yarn stores should submit their group photos from their events to the same form, and be sure that all of your crocheters are signed up with us under your store name. The store with the most registered crocheters will be recognized and receive a special gift. The deadline to enter is July 1st, 2026, and winners will be announced on July 7th, 2026 on social media, and they'll also be notified by email. I want to give a big shout out to Knitting Fever and Juniper Moon Farm for hosting this amazing event once again. Thank you for bringing us such gorgeous yarn and colors to work up into our Superstar blankets. Every single one has been an absolute delight to see. Thank you for building this community of local yarn stores and crocheters into this real life and virtual experience. A big thanks as well to the participating local yarn stores. It has been fun seeing so many people come together to work on their star blankets. You are all superstars. Reach out to me through the Crochet Along community if you have any questions, and be sure to take amazing photos with the friends you've crocheted with and share your beautiful blankets and stories. It has been so fun superstarring with you. Happy crocheting! Be sure to tag Juniper Moon Farm, Knitting Fever, Betty McKnit, and your participating local yarn store in your progress photos and videos each day. We love seeing your beautiful creations, and we will be highlighting your work with reposts and show off your amazing superstars.